Hello and welcome back to 100 coding challenges in C Sharp. This is episode 37 and it's called times table. In this challenge, we're going to ask the user which timetable they wish to see, then display it in the following format. For example, if the user types in 2, the program should display 1 times 2 equals 2, 2 times 2 equals 4, 3 times 2 equals 6, all the way up to 12 times 2. If you'd like to attempt this challenge yourself, then pause the video now and let's begin. First things first, let's ask the user which times table they wish to see. And then let's store that in an integer called multiplier. You can call it whatever you like, of course. And then we'll do a convert.toInt32 on our console.read line. And then what we want to do is declare a for loop. And I will remain as I, but length we will change to 12. So we want it to start from 1. So for that, we're going to change I to 1 and change this expression to I is less than or equals to 12. And then inside our for loop, we just want to have one console.writeLine statement. And in here, we will have a string, which we will declare like this. And inside the string, I'll just say I times multiplier. So that will be us displaying it as a string, and then we can do equals, and then within this last interpolation, we can have the actual expression, which is I times multiplier. Let's save that and run our code. Which times table do you wish to see? Let's start off with 2. As you can see, it is 1 times 2 all the way up to 12 times 2, and we can do this again and do a different number. Let's do 5 this time. And as you can see, that's on the 5 times table for us, just like so. And that's it. Subscribe to see more. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.